Hello, hi, namaste. How are you doing? How are each one of you doing? Welcome back to yet another episode of A Little Zen, A Little Mess. I'm so incredibly proud of this space that we are creating together because I get so many messages from people saying that they're absolutely loving the episodes, they're loving the podcast. And this space is where every week we discuss something new. This is a space where we get to embrace growth without losing ourselves in the process. And so, thank you to each one of you for tuning in every week, for listening to this podcast. Today, I want to talk about something many of us wrestle with, especially in a world that constantly tells us to do more, achieve more, become more. The topic is simple, and what we are really discussing today is what we need to be okay with: being enough. Now, ambition is great, but so is enough. A few years ago, I heard a story about a fisherman sitting peacefully by the shore. A businessman walked up to him and asked him, "Why aren't you out fishing?" The fisherman replied, "I've caught enough fish for today." The businessman laughed and said, "But if you caught more fish, you could earn more money." Now the fisherman looked at him a little perplexed and he said, "And then?" "Then you could buy a bigger boat." Now the fisherman was even more amused. He said, "And then?" "Then you could build a fleet, make a fortune, retire early, and spend your days relaxing by the sea." The fisherman smiled and said, "But that's exactly what I'm doing right now." Now, of course, not by any chance am I trying to make ambition the villain in the story. In fact, ambition is important because it helps us create, build, dream, and grow. And it is the reason businesses are started, isn't it? Books are written, goals are achieved. But somewhere along the way, many of us stopped asking ourselves a very important question: how much is enough? Because if you're always chasing the next milestone, the next promotion, the next number, the next version of ourselves, we can accidentally postpone our happiness to a future that never quite arrives. Now, there's a beautiful quote by Lao Tzu: "He who knows that enough is enough will always have enough." And I love that because it reminds us that contentment isn't the absence of ambition, it's the ability to appreciate where we are while still being excited about where we are going. Think of a tree. It continues to grow year after year, reaching upward towards the sky. But it doesn't spend every moment wishing it were taller. It stands rooted in the present while growing towards the future. And maybe that's the balance we're all looking for. To be ambitious enough to pursue our dreams, but wise enough to enjoy our lives while we're pursuing them. So today, if you're working hard towards something meaningful, keep going. Celebrate your ambition, but also pause for a moment and notice what is already here. The people who love you, the roof over your head, the small wins you've forgotten to celebrate, the version of yourself that once dreamed of the life you're living today. Because success isn't only found at the finish line. Sometimes it's hidden in the ordinary moments we're rushing past. Now, as we end today's episode, here's a gentle reminder. You are allowed to want more. You are also allowed to be grateful for what already is. These two things can exist together. Ambition can move you forward. Contentment can help you enjoy the journey. And perhaps the sweetest life is found somewhere in between. Thank you for spending these few moments with me. And until next time, keep growing, keep breathing, and always remember, life is always a little zen and a little mess. Take good care of yourselves. Bye for now.